It has been testing times for vulnerable communities since the government announced strict guidelines meant to contain the spread of COVID-19 disease, with affected families hardly able to access basic commodities. But amid the challenges, the government and stakeholders has enhanced mitigation measures as it seeks to cushion them from the adverse effects of the pandemic. Such was the case in Tudor informal settlements in Mvita constituency, where over 400 girls benefited from free sanitary towels donated by Usaidi Women and Girl Child Society. The initiative targets young girls from poor backgrounds living in informal settlements and is aimed at improving teenage girls' menstrual hygiene and cushion them from the effects of COVID-19 scourge.
Hii kitu tutakuwa tunaiendeleza wakati wowote. Manake si ati COVID ikiisha kila kitu kinaisha, hapana. Mnajua hii ni kitu yenye ambayo inatokea kila mwezi, unaona?
In the meantime, the county government of Nyeri has commenced distribution of relief food to over 10,000 households affected by COVID-19 pandemic. The donations, according to Governor Katheka Kai, will go a long way in cushioning vulnerable families against starvation as a result of the coronavirus pandemic that has led to the loss of livelihoods among many individuals and families.
We have identified in excess of 10,000 families that are needy. What we are going to roll out is the beginning of the program. By tomorrow we hope to reach 3,000 and going forward until we have the first 10.
But it came from China.
Elsewhere, the fight against the coronavirus pandemic in Nakuru received a boost after Kenya National Gun Owners Association trained the first batch of 88 police officers from the region on how to protect themselves and interact with members of the public during the health crisis. Deputy County Police Commander Joseph Tanui says law enforcement agents are part of frontline officers in the war against COVID-19.
We've gone so far to train approximately 4,000 police officers across the whole country, about 22 counties so far. Today we're in Nakuru and tomorrow we will be in Kericho, and we expect to go as far as Kapenguria, as far as Turkana.
Meanwhile, residents of Katheka Kai, Machakos County, have urged the county government to reconsider reopening their main market after it was closed as a measure to control the spread of coronavirus.
Hakuna ndao imepigwa, hakuna chakula watu wanapewa. So hivyo watu hapa wanaumia sana.
Ukisemekana wewe ni wa Katheka Kai, hakuna kuuziwa, unafukuzwa na unakimbizwa na unaambiwa usikaribie mtu. Sasa tunauliza hiyo ni shida gani?
And Narok Governor Samuel Ole Tunai says 26 people who came into contact with a 35-year-old man who was the first person diagnosed with COVID-19 in Narok County have been placed on quarantine. According to Tunai, their samples have since been sent to the Kenya Medical Research Institute for analysis.
Going forward, we intend to test frequent livestock and foodstuff transporters, security personnel, and the general public.
Finally, West Pokot leaders have accused government officers from the county of allegedly politicizing relief food distribution meant to cushion residents from hunger during the COVID-19 pandemic period. West Pokot Governor John Lonyangapuo and Sigor Member of Parliament Peter Lochakapong says it was unfortunate that distribution of critical supplies has been politicized, putting at risk hundreds of vulnerable families.
Na niwaambie wafanyikazi ya national government na county government, usikuse kufungua mdomo yako kuchokoza wahisani wenye wanasaidia wa Kenya.
Beatrice Gatonyengetich, Channel 1 News.